Rolling credit ends is a thing that you mostly seen in the last section of the movie. So today we will try to make those type of rolling credit with CapCut. So let's just open the CapCut application, and you just need to go click this new project, and let's just find the background. You can just go visit the library, and then you just need to go click this background section, and you just need to pick what type of background that you want to have for your project later on. So here I would like to use the black one, so basic. Okay, probably I need to use the other one, and I'll just need to go click add. And the next thing you need to do is just make sure that you have the longest duration. So you just need to go click this speed over here, and then you just need to go click normal and drag this point into the left side, into the specific area that you want. So here I would like to have like 10 seconds approximately. Okay, 9 seconds is fine. So you just need to click this checklist button. The next thing we need to do is just adding the credits that we want to add into the movie that we want to create here. So you just need to go back into the main menu, and then you just need to go click this text. Go click this add text and add the text. Just add everything that it involved into the movie making. I would like to paste to make it simple, and the next thing you need to do is just start styling this font. So you just need to go click this font and pick the type of font that you want to have here. And the next thing you need to do, you can also style the text by go click this style. You can adjusting the size by go drag into the left side if you want to make it like smaller, and you can also adjusting the spacing too. So if you want to have the space like quite longer, just drag into the character into the right side, or if you want to have the line spacing, you just need to drag the line more into the right side to add the space between them. And you can also even decide the position of the text that you want to have. You can just make this way, or you can also make this way, or you can just divide it into two sections for the left and right section. And you just need to click the checklist button if you're done adjusting it. Now the next thing you need to do is just drag this text section into the end of the clip, so that they will be like running into the whole duration of the video. And the next thing you need to do is just bring the straight line here into the beginning of the clip, and we just need to drag this text to be like in the bottom side until it disappears, and just go click this symbol, which is the add keyframe, and we just need to drag the straight line into the end of the clip. And now we just need to drag this text into the upper side until they disappear. And now just take a look for the result. You already got the rolling end credits for your movie. So that is for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy all of the guidance, and see you for the next tutorial.